All right, my friends, these hikers just left their campsite and we're gonna borrow their truck.
Well, they're gone.
Trail etiquette isn't optional, guys.
The tires looked good to me and I didn't see any oil leaks. Let's see if she'll crank.
Sometimes you gotta improvise. This works 50% of the time, I swear.
Woohoo! Just kicked the frickin' truck and it somehow started.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Bro. I think we're cooked. Oh, it's not that bad. We can fix it. Right, Oscar?
On the bright side, we definitely won't get lost now. Just follow the flaming wreckage back.
I really don't think they'll notice. We can probably just make another one.
We're gonna try to make a new log truck. They'll never know. Bob's gonna start knocking down some trees.
That's what happens when you eat your moss and do your squats.
Ugh, this one's heavy. Almost there, almost there. Just a bit more. It's finally done. We're super proud of it. Let's test it out right now.
No way it actually worked. So we just used the tires and the engine from the old truck.
Oh, this is so fire.
We normally don't do stuff like this, you know, talking to humans, but we own them a truck. No freaking way! There is a big hairy man standing with a freaking chimpanzee over there.
Hey, there you guys are. I come in peace.
They always do that. Y'all seriously need to learn to accept gifts. I built this dang log truck with my bare hands.
All right.
I'm sure they'll love their new truck. Thank y'all so much for watching. See you in the next episode.